class. Today we'll discuss the chapter responsibility. The word is very familiar with us. Responsibility, responsible one. We used to say, be responsible towards your work. Is it? What is responsibility? Responsibility means to take or do some work towards some people. It can be your family, it can be your friends, can be especially your parents, can be your teachers. So responsibility is something which you should, or we are expected that you should do. Okay. Father and mother take responsibility for each other and further for their offspring and the family. We know that one. We come to know that fathers are taking responsibility to earn money. Nowadays, both the parents are like that. Mothers are taking the responsibility of the family inside, household works and all. Is it? Take care of the elders, even the children and all. These are the responsibility mothers used to take. Nowadays, both the parents are same in equal in both the field. Is it? So they are actually taking responsibility of each other as well as the family also. Siblings care, like siblings, if you have 2-3 brothers sisters all together you are living, so the elder one is always or the younger one, both are actually like that, taking responsibilities with each other. They used to play together to pass their time, to entertain themselves. Is it? Even the elder one is taking responsibility of the younger one, especially in the studies and all, or in the different fields to help. Except the parents, siblings are also take care the responsibilities, take care and all the responsibilities they used to take. Is it? The other aspect of life's responsibility is taken by the teacher. Teachers are giving you different things to understand, to know your way to go in your ahead life, in means future, what you should do. They are used to help you or guide you in that sense. Is it? A friend is like that. He is also or she is also having some responsibility towards you. Friends are also like that. Actually, when you enjoy with them, you fight with them, you take care, even in the study, you love, leave everything related with your friends, are is a kind of responsibility you are taking with each other. Is it? You are sharing everything with your friends. That means you have the responsibility to know your friend, that what is going on in your life, how is your life going on, all these things. So responsibility is like that. Clear? As a family member, we always care for our family. This is also a responsibility. Is it? If no one is there at home, your grandparents are there, so it is your responsibility to take care of them on behalf of your parents. Is it? So this kind of responsibility sometimes we used to take, but it is expected by you to do all these things. Is it? Student also, you have some responsibility towards us to gain knowledge, to get the better study and make us all happy. Is it? So study or gain knowledge by a student is also a responsibility. Social responsibility is always there by helping others. Is also a kind of responsibility we should do. We should be always responsible for what we are actually doing. For everything, the best is known as the responsibility. Is it? So this is only the introduction of responsibility. So what is responsibility? First question, what is responsibility? Write down some points. Write down some points which show that you are responsible. Means these are the things you have to write. All the points we have discussed, these all points you will write, which will show that you are responsible enough towards this. Okay. What is responsibility then? A responsibility is something you are expected to do. The first point. Second is that a responsibility might be a task you are expected to do. It can be any task. For example, examples are given. See, parents expect you to brush your teeth. So, brushing the teeth is also a kind of responsibility. And it is your responsibility to brush your teeth every day, as they expect from you that you will do. Another task example is that your teacher expects you that you will complete your homework properly. Every day you will submit your homework, you will do your best. So that is a kind of example. So what is a responsibility? Give some examples of responsibility. Give some examples of responsibility. Okay, so these are the examples. Second point we'll discuss is that why is being responsible important? Why is being responsible important? Why? When we act responsibility or do the things we are responsible for doing, we have a positive consequence. Keep it in mind, underline that, positive consequence. A consequence is what happens as a result of our action. What we do, the result will come out from that is known as consequence. When you are responsible, you have a positive outcome and you get the positive consequence for a job well done. If you are irresponsible, you feel the pain of a negative consequence for a job done poorly and not at all. Understood? So, consequence is something, if you are responsible, you will get the positive. If you are irresponsible, the consequence you will get negative, very poor or not at all completed. So, being responsible leads to more trust and freedom because people know they can count on you to do the things you are expected to do. And being responsible can also be a big part of keeping you safe. So, if you have responsibility, you are always keeping yourself safe. Keep it in mind. Clear? So, another question, what is responsibility? This one hopefully you have written. Next question will be, why is being responsible important? Why is being responsible? Why is being responsible important? Clear? So, these are the questions. Up to this, you will just prepare. What is responsibility? Give some examples of responsibility. Write down some points which will show that you are responsible enough. And why is being responsible so important to you? Clear? So these are the 4 questions I have given. Just go through it and try to prepare the answers. This one you will write down in the copy. Clear? Up to this, just revise up this all. Thank you, class.